Hello, I'm Ben and welcome to Start to Finish TV. Today I'm going to be giving you 5 tips for faster video editing. Just a quick note, I am using Adobe Premiere Pro for this video, but it should be the same in most non-linear editors. Okay, so tip 1 is to keep everything organized. Make a folder called the name of the project. Inside that, create 4 subfolders named Rushes for all the video from your camera, Audio for all your audio that was recorded separately, Assets, this is for anything else like graphics and other elements, and Project Files. This is where your editing software save file will be and all its additional metadata. Be sure when you're creating your project to set it up here so it's all in the same place. Tip 2, don't use the media browser window. If you follow tip 1, you can drag all the folders in, apart from the project file folder. Then it will be organized within Premiere. It will make bins for the folders that you already had, making things easier to find. Tip 3, arrange the panels in a way that suits you. After changing it to the way that fits you best, go to Window, Workspaces and save new workspace, and now every time you load into Premiere Pro it will have the way you saved it. Tip 4, change your keyboard shortcuts by going to Edit Keyboard Shortcuts if you're on a Windows PC, or Premiere Pro keyboard shortcuts if you're on a Mac. Try and make it so all your common functions you use are under your left hand and you can keep your right hand on your mouse, if you're right-handed of course. Tip 5, when you're going to export a video, you want to choose the settings that you want to use. And just so you know, I use match source medium bitrate to save space without a noticeable difference. And then instead of pressing the export button, which makes Premiere Pro unusable for the next 20 to 60 minutes, press the Q button and this will open up Adobe's other software called Media Encoder. Once it opens, press the little green play icon and it will render it out, and you can still use Premiere Pro whilst it does it. Just note though that this may slow down your editing performance, but at least you can still edit. Okay, so just to recap, tip number 1 was to be organized. Create all your folders in one place so then everything is together. Tip 2 was to not use the media browser window. Tip 3 was to arrange all the panels within inside your editor so it suits you better. Tip 4 was to change your keyboard shortcuts, and tip 5 was to use the Media Encoder so you can still use your Premiere Pro whilst your video renders. Okay, so they were some tips for faster editing. Hopefully you learned something new. If you did, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to be notified every time we publish a new video. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'm Ben with Start to Finish TV, and I will see you in the next video.